This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 0112397846 and 011239711075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, in collaboration with Niti Aayog, released the Northeastern Region District Sustainable Development Goal SDG Index and Dashboard 2021-22. With technical support from the United Nations Development Programme, it is the first of its kind in the country as it focuses on the Northeastern region. For the first time, a district-wise index is being prepared in the country, which will measure the performance of the districts of the 8 northeastern states. Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, G. Krishan Reddy, said SDG Index will be used as a base for planning of development and welfare activities, education, healthcare. He stressed the need to generate livelihood not only to help increase family income but also to raise the living standards. The Culture, Tourism and Development of Northeastern Region Ministry are organizing Northeast India Photography and Videography contest in collaboration with MyGov India as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy yesterday launched with Love from Northeast campaign. The central government is organizing a competition to promote the Northeastern region as a tourist destination as well as to showcase the culture, people, arts and food. All citizens can participate in the competition by the 20th of next month. The top 3 winners will be awarded with a holiday package in the Northeast region. The Court of Inquiry constituted by the Indian Army to investigate the Mon incident of 4th December visited the site at Otting village yesterday. The inquiry team, headed by Major General, inspected the site to understand the circumstances in which the incident could have happened. The team also took along witnesses for better understanding of the situation and how events had unfolded. The team was also present at Tizit police station to meet a cross-section of society, including civilians, police personnel and doctors who treated the injured for obtaining the information about the incident. As per the Indian Army, the Court of Inquiry is progressing expeditiously and all efforts are being made to conclude it at the earliest. The Centre has issued a fresh directive to states and union territories to treat persons on election duty in poll-bound states as frontline workers eligible for precaution dose. The move to administer boosters comes amid concerns over the highly transmissible variant Omicron. The Health Ministry said doctor's certificate or prescription is not required to establish comorbidity among 60-plus persons. Medical professionals, frontline health staff and senior citizens with comorbidities can take the booster dose from 10th of January. Meanwhile, Meghalaya yesterday reported 2 new COVID-19 cases, which added up to 52 active cases and 1 death due to the viral disease. The Greenfield Airport at Hollongi near Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh is expected to get ready before November 2022. This was stated by Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu, who visited the site yesterday. The Chief Minister said that he was satisfied with the progress of work spread over an area of 320 hectares. The Greenfield Airport, once completed, would be able to accommodate narrow-body jets in the first phase. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.